What's up, everybody? The holidays are finally upon us, so today we are going to go over the best EDC stocking stuffers of 2024. We've got a bunch of great gear to go over. All products are going to be linked in the description down below. We are not including prices just because they're subject to change, different sales go on, yada, yada, yada. But keep in mind, all of these are going to be extremely budget friendly and make great stocking stuffers. First up, one of my favorite EDC gifts, the Victorinox Classic SD. This thing is awesome. It has a completely inoffensive 1.5-inch stainless steel blade. It also has this awesome little nail file with a little screwdriver tip. In case you were curious, that's actually where the Classic SD gets its name. The SD stands for screwdriver. Next up, we have our convenient little pair of scissors. Ask anybody. These scissors are the best in the multi-tool game. And they come with a replaceable spring right here, which is super nice. And of course, we can't forget our handy pair of tweezers, and on the other side, an equally handy plastic toothpick. The Classic SD is a great gift for knife guys and non-knife guys alike, and makes a great first pocket knife. Next up, we have the Olight Arkfeld Pro. Unlike the original that just has the laser and flashlight, ultraviolet light as well. Press the main button to unlock, and then use this little ring switch here to toggle through the 3 different functions. Of course, this is our green laser, and next up we can switch to this black light here, and of course our traditional flashlight. Like many of the Olights, you're going to hold to toggle through the different modes. Next on the list, we have the Nafs Lander 1, sporting a 2 3/4-inch D2 blade, along with blue G10 scales. This is a design by the world-renowned, in the knife world at least, Ben Peterson. No, I'm not going to say the catchphrase. This was designed to be extremely customizable with a bunch of different options for aftermarket scales. This version sports G10 scales and the famous Ben Blue. The pocket clip has great retention without tearing up your pockets. And the action is, well, perfect. Next up, we have the Acebeam Pokelit. Specifically, this is the copper version. You can see here that it comes plastic wrapped so that the copper does not oxidize, but here is my personal Acebeam copper pokelit, and it is very well patinaed, so this is something that you might be able to expect. Depending on the chemistry of your skin, patina can vary a little bit from person to person. This is an extremely user-friendly light with 3 different modes. Click on and click off to cycle through the different modes, and it maxes out around 500 lumens. The light comes with a USB-C rechargeable 14500 battery. It has a reversible pocket clip, and it absolutely looks awesome. Next up, we have a nifty little keychain flashlight here. This is the Lumintop Frog 2.0. It can use either a 10180 or 10440 battery and comes with a USB-C charger. This light maxes out at a whopping 750 lumens using a 10440 battery in the turbo mode. Simply click the button to toggle through the different modes. Our second keychain flashlight on the list is the Olight IMini 2. One of the most innovative keychain flashlights on the market. It activates by pulling the little magnetic end off of the flashlight, as you can see here, and then once you reconnect it, that light turns off again. The keychain hole doubles as a USB charger that's covered by a little protective rubber slip. Simply pop it off and charge your flashlight. This light is so simple to use, no external battery, and super easy to charge, no modes to toggle through. Just simply pull the flashlight from your keychain, and there you go, you've got a flashlight. This is a great gift for your friend who thinks you're absolutely out of your mind for carrying a flashlight in your pocket, but still manages to lose the remote under the couch. Next up, we have Going Gear's bestseller of 2024. This is the Weltool T1 Pro Tac, specifically in our 2 exclusive colorways, the FDE and the OD Green. This little pocket light packs a punch with over 21,000 candela and over 500 lumens. Make sure to check out our dedicated YouTube video on the T1 Pro Tac for a full technical breakdown. Finally, we have the Olight O'Pen, a pen light, but not in the traditional sense, because this combines both an ink pen as well as a flashlight, with the flashlight being on the clip of the pen and us having a nice little bolt action here with the ink pen tip at the end. Simply press up on the bolt action of the pen and you'll be able to toggle through the different flashlight modes. Unscrewing the bottom cylinder of the pen reveals a USB-C port, along with the button that actually actuates the flashlight. As you can see here, if you click that, that turns the light on. This makes for a great EDC stocking stuffer because it provides both the functionality of a pen and a flashlight without taking up too much pocket real estate. We sincerely hope you guys enjoyed this video. We have a ton of great knives, flashlights, and other gear at goinggear.com, so it was extremely difficult to narrow it down to just a few options. As per usual, we'll have all of this gear linked in the description down below, and before we go, make sure to comment down below and let us know, what did we miss? What is an awesome EDC themed stocking stuffer? Could be for your friend, for your dad, for your mom, for whoever, but we want to know. Until next time, happy holidays and Merry Christmas from the Going Gear team.